In this video, you're about to see a computer build. The video is good quality, but the sound quality is muffled or distorted, or you can't hear it at all in some parts. But I'm just using a Samsung Galaxy S4 phone to record my videos right now. But still, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Hello everybody out there. This is the original front cover of this. It's just a plastic black. Has a 120mm fan in the back of the case here, but I'm trying to figure out how in the heck they're going to get airflow. This thing's solid plastic. So yeah, on this, it's $29 cheap computer case. So I unscrewed the front panel here to take out this piece, and I measured and I cut a piece screen. It's black. I'm going to hot glue it down on top of that, replace that the plastic, and see how it gets a lot of holes for airflow. That'll be a lot better airflow. Put the screen on top and just give it a nice look, and becomes like almost like a filter for dust. But yeah, I hope everything works out. You all have a good one. Bye. Alrighty, all done with the mod. Super hot glue in the front, and I took a black Sharpie, go around the edges, try to cover it, some of that up, but yeah, it's better than nothing. Alrighty, stay tuned for the conclusion of this mod. Thank you. Okay, I replaced the stock fan with a better fan here. It's the Arctic from Arctic Cooler, 80mm. And a 120 stock fan. It's a really good fan. It's come with it. And there's the front opening there. It will breathe in more air from the front, go into the computer for the CPU parts. Big power supply. Very tight fit, but it fits in there. And just a regular DVD burner. I did some cable management because it's hard to do in this $29 case here. But I got pretty much everything pretty well. And ready to go. It is done, and now this is how it looks. DVD burner. Looks like it came out of the factory, looked like that. But not too bad. Hot glue is kind of hard to lay down, but I went over with black permanent marker to try and blend it in a little bit. That way you can't tell too much. Should have better airflow than that plastic piece. Red LED fan inside. Alright, I just have to wait for the parts to get here to put it all together. Alrighty, I hope you all stay tuned for the next episode of this computer build. Hope you all like it. Alrighty. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello out there, everybody. This is me, Michael, coming to you from my house. Okay, I got the parts that came in for the new PC build. Contain awesome. Take it from a geek. New egg. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Oh. X50M Plus power. Motherboard from Gigabyte. Supports Intel Xeon, LG 1151, C232 chipset, DDR4. Micro motherboard. Not too bad. Let's see here. Some cables and stuff. Extension cables for my new speakers. Arctic speakers, S111s. Oh yeah, and my second solid state drive SanDisk X400, 512 gigabytes. Nothing in the package. Xeon E3 family E3 1240B5 LG 1151 Skylake processor. 11.5 gigahertz. It also got turbo up to 3.9. Four core, but it's a hyper threading, so eight threads altogether. And the GPU video card GeForce GTX 1060, 6 gigabytes. Going to the new computer. DDR4 memory, 16 gigs, 8 gigs memory sticks. Come on, focus. Alright, there we go, focused. Fury HyperX memory chips. 8 gigabytes apiece. Motherboard, graphics card. Also the heat sink I won't use just for the stock one because it's just a basic chip and it's not very hot in this case at all. It's going to be basic use for like gaming and video editing. Nothing really intensive. So I don't need no special heat sink. Going into that case, I modded it a little bit. Alrighty. See you guys pretty soon. Alrighty, here's the motherboard out of the box. Just a basic micro motherboard, really. And memory chips. Alright, let's get this build on the way. Okay, there it is. Installed. This one got the copper slug in the center, so it'll keep it pretty cool. Yep. Alrighty, getting close. Alrighty, got the CPU in with the memory, 16 gigs, HyperX. My video card goes here. I'm going to cover this one up probably. I got one free one. That's okay. This got 3.0 header on board. This also got RAID control. Got 6 headers of the SATA 6 gigabits per second. Pretty good motherboard. Eight-pin CPU power supply, some reason, I don't know why. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and finish her up and put her in a case and get ready to go. Alrighty. There we go, it's in the case now. Bolt it in. Now put the video card in, hook everything up, and be ready to go. Alright, stay tuned. Man, look at this big monster card here. Just a little bit, just say a half an inch left between here and the front fan. Wow. Alrighty. Go ahead and finish up here and call it good. See if it's all going to work pretty well and put this in RAID configuration for the two SSDs. Had 1 terabyte together and tons of speed. Alrighty, I see you guys pretty soon. Okay, this is the best I can do with the cable management on this $29 computer case. Yep. See, it won't get interference with anything, but it should be fine. Fans almost at the edge right there. And now I have to put the solid state drives in, but those got no moving parts, so I can put them anywhere in this case. They're very 2.5 inches, they're not very big. And fire it up, see how it works. Alrighty. Oh gosh. Oops. All right. SSDs 512 GB after putting the RAID 0. Alrighty. Hope everything works out good. Alrighty, now the hard drives are done, mounted with everything else in here. Just have to boot it up, see how it goes. Alright. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to the video. This is a recording with Shadowplay with desktop capture on, so Russ can actually record. And in the corner you see Fraps counter, which I'm just using the Fraps counter. I'm not recording with Fraps, I'm using Shadowplay. And so far it's 75, 76 counter. It looks very beautiful here in Rustland. This is a modded server, so it should be pretty quick. You can build up to. Well, it said it was modded, but I have to check that. Well, I'm doing now, yeah, they got kits on here. So basic, get the items you need to get started. Daily, a daily kit of tools and supplies. Welcome, a welcome gift for joining the community. Let's go ahead and hit that kit. Welcome. Kit redeemed. Oh, air supply, rock quarry, a supply signal. There's a couple people online. There's, well, 4, including me, so it makes 4. Let me see what we have. Yep. Eat some food here. Alrighty. Alright. My settings. Here's my settings. Forecast page. And the performance under that. Alrighty. That was my settings. And now I will end it here. Thank you for stopping by and watching this short preview.